that. That should be good. And of course you can change the color if you want. If you want to go with like a little bit of pink clouds in there, you can do that. So that, it gives us cool clouds in there. And then also we can go back to our parent and we can change the sky color as well. Click none, gradient, and then we can choose, the blue for the top color, and then the middle color. We can go with, a color like that. We can go with the yellowy, the sun color, like that. Maybe a little less on that. That's how we do that. Maybe a little bit on this one, a little gray on that one, maybe. Okay, and that's how we get that set. And you can also adjust, which direction you want the horizon at, like this. Okay, so that gives us our sky. And now we go back to this. We'll hide our geometry so we can see how our 3D mesh looks with the sky behind it. We'll render it. Now wait, another good thing is, what helps is change your perspective view right here. When you get your camera, you pull it back a little bit so you're like on a wide angle lens. It just gives a more dramatic look to everything. Plus you can fit more in there if you perspective out a little bit and kind of squish everything. It's like you're using a wide angle lens and stuff. So let me render that. Alright, and there you go. You got your cut mixture of colors, lights, and all that, the snow, everything, crystal, sky, everything's in there. So I believe that should be it. That should get you going. Hopefully that helps. See you later. Unless I can think of anything else, then I'll just come right back. Bye. Oh yeah. For the material, if you want to make the crystals see-through, just go back to your parent of the ice and just tweak down the transparency. But it will render a lot slower. And if you make it see-through, you can change this index of refraction here to make things kind of like sort of like looking through a magnifying glass, or when you see something through a cup, how it bulges out in and out. Lower numbers will make it bulge like a smaller, it'll kind of squish it, and then the higher numbers will make everything bulge outward. So just play with that if you want to do it, but it will take longer to render. So be careful on that one. I would probably leave it to black though, because I think the reflections do good enough. Okay, see you later.